Hi, hello my friends. So today is our last episode of the book Secret, and in this episode I am going to tell you about the secret to the world, the secret to you, and secret to life. All these are very important, and you can say ultimate. Uh, one thing, just first chapter is today's first chapter will be the secret to the world, and in this I wanted to just remind you. You must have heard a lot of things like negative things on TV, on newspaper, and all that. And at the same time, you also must have heard words like anti-war, then anti-drug, anti-terrorist. All these things are there. But do you think these are going to serve our purpose? No, because as soon as you will see anti-war, then you are holding the image of war, and the nature, the law of attraction, and the genie will understand that you want war. The law of attraction will not understand you do not want war, because in yes or no, they do not understand yes or no. They simply understand what you are going to hold the image, and according to image they are giving you. So if you want anti-war, it doesn't mean that you want peace. It will be understood like a war only. That's why that is the one of the most important reason why there is no peace in this world. So this is very important. And also that there is one more rule that is also part of that rule is whatever you resist will persist. You are fighting against war, you are fighting against corruption. That is going to resist. That is going to persist. This is very important. Then in the same chapter, one particular article is there is universe is abundant. See, somebody may say if everybody is wishing good things, then will there be so much money, so much abundance, so much good materials are available in this world to satisfy them? I say yes. Why? Because you see, whatever you see the outside, whatever creations are there in the outside, it has first rooted in your mind. Then only it has created. So you put more and more thoughts, and you will get it. You are getting right now. So my friend, whatever you want, you can create. It is always there. Now next article is universal mind. The universal mind is really, it is very exciting, and you see, whatever our consciousness is there is you are the creator of your destiny. Since you are the creator of your destiny, then many such you are there, and then this is the, you can say, creator of whole universe. So in fact you are a very responsible person. You are the creator of universe also. And there is one very important thing that has been put there, is energy wise. Energy wise, you can say, you can assume, see, whenever you are holding image of some particular material which you want, then what is happening? Because you are also a source of energy. So you are vibrating on some energy, and at the same time in some frequency, at the same time the particular thing is also vibrating. Now if you want that, it means that your frequency is matching with that frequency. Now you made that frequency match with you. Rather, you start vibrating that particular material according to you, and then it will be you. That material, you can achieve that material. That is the reason why you are achieving that one. Then the next very exciting thing in that particular one is and remind you, this one is nothing but quantum physics only. So all these things are very, very important, and there is no in fact conflict between science and this law of attraction. Very important thing. Now the next chapter is secret to you. This is again, it is my favorite one. See, you are not your past. You see, understand. This is very important. Whatever you have seen in the past, normally mind, what you see, not only what mind is doing, whatever they have, the mind has seen in the past, they are creating an image out of that in the future, and that is the reason why people are not able to achieve. So whatever has gone has gone. You create in your mind whatever you want, and then you will get in the future. So be in present moment. Be in present moment. And see, this word I am is very important. People are saying I am sick, I am old, I am broke, and all that. This is not going to serve the purpose, because I am is very powerful. You can say I am healthy, I am young, I am rich, and you will be. So this is about what you can say about this secret to you. Now the last chapter is secret to life. This is really I can say whatever I am going to tell you will be very, very less as far as my imagination, my aspirations are concerned. Okay, so let me say something. There is people are saying sometimes that God has created some destiny of you and all that. You imagine in the sky there is a blackboard and He has written your destiny and all that. Let me say something. It is not like that. There is no blackboard in sky where God has written. It is you who is going to write your destiny, and not any other person. Mind it. And my friend, in the last, I wanted to remind you very, very important thing. I wanted that you should close your eyes and just imagine why you have come to watch my video. Isn't it law of attraction? Certainly, there is no doubt in it. Why? Because you want abundance. You want nothing but abundance. Since you want abundance, that's why you are here. You are going to write your own destiny. Certainly, there is no doubt in it. Ask for abundance. Ask for abundance, you will get abundance. Join me, my friend. This is ultimate one. This law of secret, this law of attraction is ultimate one. So just regard it. Just hold the image of prosperity in your mind and join me. So thank you very much. This is Shailendra Kant signing off from this law of attraction, this book secret. From tomorrow, I am going to start one very, very interesting topic on video marketing and all that. Bye-bye. Thanks.